So right now we're trying to find the fucking kitties. Right now. This is only the first video.
We need to go get a light.
Oh, back. Yeah, we need a light. Yeah.
You need a light.
No, we need a light. Yeah. Kitty. Come here, kitty. You can't really see the kitty, but you can. See the little kitty? It's an asshole. That fucking kitty is an asshole. Come here, you fucking asshole. Come here. Shine the light on the subject. The fucking asshole. I'm not gonna get it. Get his ass out. Get up. What is this? Get up.
Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself, mommy.
Give me this. Give it, you fucker.
No, oh, fuck you.
Fuck you. Eat the fucking thing.
Get the fucking bitch. Yeah, come here.
Stick it up your balls.
Wait. Is that a guy or a girl?
It's a guy.
Are you sure? I thought I saw the vagina. This is definitely going on YouTube.
You fucking bitch. Oops, actually.
Oh, you ate her balls. Wait, does she even have balls? Or does she have that little droopy thing?
It's a guy, you asshole. Look, I'm petting him. I'm petting this little kitty.
Shine it on her eyeball.
It's a he, you fucker.
Shine it in her.
It's a he.
We're all gonna fucking die here.
Kitty. You fucking bitch. You pussy.
How do we know you're not a pussy?
Okay.
That's the first fucking
No,
cat.
don't terrorize the fucking cat. Don't.
Where's the other fucking cat?
No, dude, we're gonna make him talk.
Where's the other fucking cat?
Dude, aim the light on him and make him talk like, you know,
Pikachu!
no, make him like, oh, what the fuck are you
Fucking
looking
bitches! What the fuck are you looking at, you bitches?
at? Oh, fucking cat.
Yeah, that cat is mentally retarded calling us motherfucking bitches. Now talk, you fucking bitch. Pika fucking bitches. Oh, wow, you have a nice language, you fucking cat. Yeah, you bitches.
No,
Oh,
we can
I'm
make
sorry.
him like the cat who likes beer and shit. Oh,
Yeah,
fuck it. You're
I
right.
like beer and shit. Holy fuck.
I like beer and shit, and this is fucking awesome. Stop sharing the light to me. Just have sex with me.
I want
Fucking hump me.
Oh, yeah, hump me. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Give me some fucking beer and cigarettes first.
Yeah, fuck it. Oh, my head. All right, now where's the other cat? Let's go make it talk.
All right. Princess is under here, too.
No, she's not. I didn't see her.
You're being a fat bitch.
She's a faggot.
Here's my basketball.
Yeah, I don't fucking do shit.
You don't give a shit about this fucking awesome guitar?
Yeah, because I have one better. The fucking junior's guitar. Oh, I'm pretty sure she's not in the litter box. Okay, you fucking bitch.
Princess died. Fuck. There she is.
Where?
She's in the closet. I bet she's in the closet. Oh, if I was Princess, where the hell is
Oh, my fucking ass.
she? I know.
She's not in there, is she?
Fuck.
You didn't find her.
Found her.
Oh, that fucking it's Garfield!
Get up.
Where'd she go? Where's that fucking ass cat? Got her! Gotcha! Johnny, you cover that fat ass. See that fat ass cat? It's like so fat.
I got it.
This box.
Hey, Johnny. Where'd the cat go?
I'm looking.
Yeah, don't torment the cat. Do you understand?
Torment the cat.
Then what were you doing?
We were talking to it.
The box?
Here's a box. Merry Christmas.
The cat's not under here. We
She's
lost.
gone. She's gone. She's gone. Oh no, she's still in here.
No, she's not.
Put her down. Put her down.
Where's the fat ass?
I want her killed.
Water?
Not there.
I got it!
I was chasing her.
She's not over there, Johnny.
Ah, help! Tristan!
Hi, Mr. Riley. Johnny, found her. Johnny, I found her. Yeah, I did.
Johnny, leave the cat. Jonathan!
Did you hear that, Johnny?
Jonathan, do you hear me?
Where the hell did that? Don't tell me.
She up there.
Get up there. Maybe.
Johnny, leave the cat alone.
How did she get? She's not supposed to be in here though.
I know. Why is she meowing though? Because you're chasing her?
That's not a cat.
It's my dog. Yeah, that's my deranged, stupid dog. Who sounds like a cat.
Princess.
Okay, yeah, that is like that sounds like my deranged dog.
Let me see if I can see her.
Johnny, stop.
I'm seeing if I can see her.
I'm gonna get her out. You can leave her alone. Stop. Do you understand me?
Mommy, let Dad do it. She might hurt you.
Johnny, do you understand me? I'm serious.
Deranged cat on the list.
Johnny, first of all, it's
Dude, get in my room. Come on, come on.
wait, no.
It's gonna kill us. It's gonna kill us. Run. Get in the fort. Get in the fort. Get in the fort.
What fort? That's like nothing.
This is my fort, fucking bitch. Room for one. No, close it up. Close it up.
Room for one more, please. And I hope that's a girl.
You wanna call this fort again?
Huh? Yeah, I don't want to call this a fort again. So yeah,
She's gonna kill us.
we're trapped by a fucking deranged, stupor, freaked cat. I mean, it sounds like my
She's trying to
fucking
rip her
dog.
freaking lungs off. Help! Oh God, she got in here. Ah!